Local news for Wednesday the 26th of April. Wairarapa will feature in the upcoming New Zealand Boutique Wine Festival happening on Sunday the 11th of June at Auckland CBD. With 5 years under its belt, the annual Boutique Festival has won a legion of loyal fans who experience the best that New Zealand winemakers have to offer. Event director Jackie Taylor says the objective of the New Zealand Boutique Wine Festival is to create a unique wine experience like no other, giving vineyards the opportunity to showcase their wine in New Zealand's largest wine market and offering attendees the chance to discover New Zealand's best-kept secrets. It's been quiet for farm sales in Wairarapa this year. Very good autumn conditions throughout the region with some activity on finishing units, but generally a quiet market. Across the country, though, farm sales were up. Data released by the Real Estate Institute of New Zealand shows that there were 55 more farm sales for the 3 months ended March 2017 than for the 3 months ended March 2016. And also great to see large numbers at Anzac Dawn services and various services across the region yesterday. In sport, in hockey from last weekend, the Daleford men drew 1-1 with Northern United. The women, however, had a 4-0 victory over Toa. This weekend, the Daleford men and women are both at home and taking on Karori. For Wairarapa TV Local News, I'm Brent Gare.